going camping. We're going with my family. Brooke and Jerem invited us to a yurt in Island Park, so we're driving there right now. We're
How it's not mom and dad, it's Brooke and Jerem.
Okay, mom and dad. I'm just saying Brooke and Jerem because they're gonna watch this video. But my mom and dad invited us to go camping in a yurt in Island Park. So we're on the way right now. Aaron's eating some snacks while he drives, some peanut M&Ms. His tummy hurts.
Hopefully they don't.
Yeah, it's a really pretty drive. And it's not even too far away from our house in Rexburg, which is kind of nice. So it's a good trip. We're excited to see them. We just both worked a full day today, and now we're driving there after work. Yeah. We're gonna go fishing and eat some tempo at dinner tonight. We're super excited.
There's a river that winds on forever. I'm gonna see it. Oh, there's a mountain that no man mountain. I'm gonna stand on it. Out there's a land that time don't command. Wanna be the first to arrive. No time for wandering wide. I'm the one. I'm wild and busting back. To the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the earth, would you follow me?
Yeah, I'm literally not excited.
If the world never stayed like it was to me.
So my bike broke.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Stay on here. I'm gonna give you a tour of our yurt.
Okay, let's go.
So this is what it looks like. This is the front door, and then there's 2 bunk beds. It sleeps 6.
So basically,
It sleeps 6.
2 people
This
can
is-
technically be on the bottom one.
Yeah.
yeah. So this
But I
is,
want my own bed.
I think
Vlogging camera.
my bike broke, Tyler. Like I think
I'm about to attempt my first porta potty outhouse bathroom trip.
haven't you already done that?
Well, yeah, but
Can I
not
talk
this
to
trip.
them?
Yeah, while I go to the bathroom, hold this and talk to them.
Hi guys.
There's the biggest spider ever. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, it's a fly. It's a horse fly.
Oh, I hate those.
Oh, gross.
Well,
So basically, there's a big puddle like everywhere. Well, apparently, we gotta grab some of this wood because we're not trying to start a fire, but we're trying to start a campfire. Wow. Crazy. She just got done.
It was a passable experience. Not the greatest, not the worst.
It doesn't smell.
Hey!
Hey.
Dad, what happened to your eye?
It's
black all over him from the.
So I brought walkie-talkies. Looks like he got
How was your drive?
It was actually really pretty.
my bow.
There was a semi-tail.
No, I bet.
it's fine.
Tyler, can you help me open it? Okay.
I'm good. How are you, Presley? Good. You look really pretty in the family pictures.
Thank you. Haley, did you see that one picture of me going like this?
There's a ton. It's super hot.
Did you post one of just you and Addie?
That's how long it usually takes.
There's a spider web in between my legs, Stubby. OMG.
I don't look very cute.
I'm taking my B-roll with the GoPro.
Well, my phone, this was from yesterday.
Get away.
Get away from me. I hate bugs. You didn't.
You heard you. Do something.
No, I just think we want.
Guys, I've already ate. Can we go fishing?
Did
We
we
have
bring
one
like
more
water
bag of
bottles? Mom already said yes, Debbie.
I wasn't.
Good
job.
Give me a beverage.
A beverage.
A beverage.
Can I have a beverage, please?
Just
So this is a sparkling water, and I have kiwi strawberry.
Ooh. Dig in then.
Yeah, this is done.
Paper towel.
Sorry, Eric.
I tore a paper towel in half.
Sorry.
Is it done? Please be done.
That hurt my nose.
There's some of the stuff you can.
I don't know why it just started.
You look really good. It's because you've been doing this. Good job.
I have to hold it, and I like started like going like this because I had to be. And you weren't wet yet? No. It was like a puddle, and then when we came back up, my friends like stepped in it, and I was like, "You guys, that's my pee."
Ew.
Yeah, they were not very.
I think
happy
everyone
with me.
else knows the story.
But one time I was in 3rd grade, and
Bailey on her bike. I don't have a bike, so I got stranded and I'm walking.
Oh, there's an island where all things are silent. I'm gonna whistle too. Oh, there's a desert the size can't be measured. I'm gonna count on me. Out there's a world that calls for the girl. Every night we're taking it on. With fair strangers and all kinds of danger. Please don't say I'm going.
It's too mossy. What, honey? Look at the moss. And we can't hop this line because this is people's property. I'm annoyed with that. So, lead me.
I don't want to fish.
Should we go back?
Yeah.
Please don't fall in.
I almost did. That's kind of scary.
eat those fish socks.
You did. They're awesome. Slowly, all the socks you've got me are becoming the only ones I have because my older ones get holes in them.
Yeah, they're really the best.
Reaction shot.
Why do you think that, baby?
You're not gonna throw up. Come on. Stop being That's your
How was your night? Kind of terrible. Why?
Above my neck. It was not comfortable on my
Wait,
neck.
no.
Did you see any spiders?
Okay.
I actually, this morning I woke up and there was a spider on a web and it was like crawling
Shut
down
up.
to me.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Presley. How was your night?
Good.
What happened?
The bug bite on my ankle.
Have you itched it?
Yeah. Well, it's right where my shoe, like when I walk, it's right where my shoe rubs.
Same. I have one too.
Mine's on the bottom half.
Or my dad.
Hey, Aaron. How was your night?
The worst night of my entire life.
Explain.
I don't even need to say anything. I was in the bathroom for hours.
He was in the bathroom for hours. We're riding bikes. Aaron's back there.
Don't fall now.
I won't. You just
going now?
We are going to paddleboard in a little lake. We were gonna go float the river, but we have a concert
This
tonight.
is less
committal.
yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go paddleboard in a lake. It's gonna be super fun.
Oh yeah. Oh really? Awkward.
Actually, no. Schools. So we never actually saw each other and we couldn't drive yet because it was freshman year.
Wait, you already aren't dating anymore?
Watch.
What the fetch is Gizmo Watch?
No, I deleted it.
Skibbity Toilet Watch?
I'm on a river that winds on forever. Follow till I get where I'm going. Baby, I'm heading to die, but I'm still gonna try. I guess I'm going home.
I kind of want to try backflip. That'd be fun. Yeah, I just kind of want to see if I can do a backflip. I actually don't know if I can off of it.
You have to jump off.
Okay, get in.
Ready? He's really cool.
Baby jump off your face. Okay, my turn.
That was really good.
I hope that doesn't fall in.
Oh, Giga, Ugagi.
Wait, it won't work, yeah, with both of us in. This is like the max we can do. Why is that so painful to go past the waist? It's literally terrible.
Okay, maybe just like sit and paddle.
Dude, that's just been slating.
He has been.
Do it. Do a backflip.
That's your mom's way of saying.
My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? 'Cause I've been
Every year, like a little fish.
That's what everyone said to me today.
You look good.
I don't. I'm literally so broken.
Anywhere without a paddle.
She's my own paddle.
No, he's not standing.
Looks like
It looks like I'm standing, doesn't it? Not at all.
I need something. Ah, there's no grip.
What are you doing, Evie?
I'm cruising. That's hard.
Gosh, Jeffrey totally bailed immediately. Well, we just finished up the fun camping trip. Now we're heading back. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was super fun. But till next time.